sir.
Hi, sir.
To the members of the Senate Blue Ribbon Committee.
We have survivors and family members.
Ganito ang eksena kanina-kanina lang sa Senado matapos bumulaga ang chismis na may draft report di umano ang Senate Blue Ribbon Committee na nagre-rekomendang kasuhan ang at least 3 pasaway na senador. And this is why they say this committee, the Blue Ribbon, is so powerful at pilit na inaagaw ng mga corrupt na DDS.
Ba't kayo nagbawi ng pirma?
So, draft pa naman nun. Nobody signs a draft. And also, may mga group messages kami na may mga addendum, may mga additional. So, gusto na may makita muna bago kami ka-fix yung signature. So, naantay lang natin na makompleto.
So ayan nga si Senator JV Estrada na nagbawi daw ng pirma sa Blue Ribbon Committee draft report at ipinaliwanag kung bakit.
Still yet to see ano bang nilalaman nun, bakit? The question is what? Bakit? Ano mga ebidensya? Tapos kasi may mga chismis din na meron daw iba na dapat kasuhan talaga. Pero medyo malamya. So, I don't know. Pero initially, nung nagsabi kanina, there's no such thing. Nung una kong nabasa kagabi sa Quran.
Sir, pero 3 current senators, sila Senator Jinggoy, Cheese, and Joel po yung recommended na kasuhan sa draft. What do you think of that, sir? Kasamahan niyo po kasi yun dito.
Hindi ko pa nakikita. I wanna see it.
But sir, based on the hearing so far ng Blue Ribbon, do you see a reason para ma-recommend yung charges against them?
Well, kung ako tatanungin mo, we'll just have to pass it to the ombudsman to make the decision.
At dahil nga dito, muling umingay ang ugong-ugong tungkol sa Senate power grab o leadership change. As they say, never let a crisis go to waste, at ngayon nga ang pinakamagandang panahon para mangalap ng boto ang mga oportunistang DDS bloc para patalsikin si Senate President Tito Sen at muling balasahin ang committee chairmanship sa Senado.
Sir.
Hi, sir.
Maybe we get comment lang doon sa 3 senador na may nakakasuhan doon sa Blue Ribbon draft report.
Wala pa. Draft report pa lang yun. Wala pa.
Mismong si Senator Ping Lacson ang nagsabi na ang draft committee report ay pinakakasuhan ang mga usual suspects na sina Senators Joel Villanueva, Jinggoy Estrada at Cheese Escudero dahil sa kanilang participation sa flood control scandal. Of course, kibit balikat si Villanueva na tila umaasa sa tinatamasang Senate ko.
May Blue Ribbon, sir.
Who's the Blue Ribbon?
Sir, sa draft report.
The draft report, sir.
One person or the entire committee?
Sir, it's just a draft yet. Draft pa lang, sir.
It's the committee or the person?
Pero ayon naman kay Lacson, kung ang committee report na ito ang magpapabagsak kay Tito Sen, parte daw iyon ng laro sa politika.
Kudita si SP dahil pinapakasuhan yung mga kasamahan niyo, sir.
Mag-uusap-usap ka kami mamaya. If it will cost his Senate presidency, that's part of the game, ano? Kung because of the mere committee report na nag-participate naman din sila, aayaw na sila at tatanggalin na ng Senate President. I will take responsibility somehow, but the Senate President is all behind the Blue Ribbon Committee, not in its findings. Kaya nga di-discuss namin, he will be there.
Nagkausap kayo ni SP na baka mamiligro yung kanyang
Hindi na namin pinag-usapan yan. Pinag-usapan namin yung issues do sa Blue Ribbon Report.
So ang tanong, ang biglang pagdanggal o pagbulaga ni Lacson ng Blue Ribbon Committee draft, parte ba ito ng kanilang strategy para bulagain ang nilulutong power grab ng DDS bloc sa Senado? As of this moment, this appears to be a wait-and-see game.
Sir, will there be a change in leadership, sir? Did you get the 13 votes already, sir?
At yun nga, while editing this clip, tila nangyari na nga ang balasahan sa Senado after i-address si Senator Miguel Zubiri na Madam President Siligarda na tila tuwang-tuwa.
Thank you very much, Madam President. Madam President, nice to see you on the yes, session resumed already, right, Madam President?
Yes, session is resumed.
Thank you, Madam President. Madam President, I move that we adjourn session until 3 o'clock in the afternoon, Monday, February 9, 2026. I so move, Mr. President. Madam President.
Any objections? I don't see the minority here, only the majority.
This is also in cooperation with the minority.
With the minority,
They know that
yes.
we're going to adjourn early.
No objections heard. Session is adjourned until Monday,
3 o'clock.
February 9, 2026.
Thank you very much, Madam President.